Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: camera permission granted and system updated. Open your camera or QR app now. You don't need extra tools. Point the lens at the code, keeping it steady about 6 to 12 inches away so the scanner can autofocus. Once the code fills the viewfinder, hold for 1 second and wait for a prompt. If you see no prompt, slightly change distance or angle. Make sure ambient light is even. Bright backlight can. Once the scanner recognizes the code, you'll see a clear preview, usually a URL, contact, or payment action. Pause and read that preview. This step prevents accidental phishing. If it's a link, press and hold to see the full address or use the copy option to inspect in a safe browser. If it's a payment or join action, verify merchant name or network before confirming. Make sure apps required by the QR, like a wallet or map, have permission to open. Finish by confirming the intended result. Page loaded, contact saved, or payment processed. You should see a success message. If nothing happens, check basics. Clean the lens, toggle camera permissions, and retry in better light. When issues persist, install a reputable QR app or reboot the phone to reset services. If you worry about safety, copy the link and paste it into a safe browser to inspect before proceeding. This small habit prevents most scams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.